Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C71 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the security and privacy. Then let's tap on device unlock and tap on fingerprint and face unlock. Of course, enter the pattern to confirm, the screen lock to confirm, and then tap on the fingerprint. So here we've got the information about the fingerprint, so just tap on I agree, and here we've got the instructions, so we have to put our finger on the sensor. The sensor is located on the power button of our device on the right side, so let's simply put your finger on it and now do it multiple times in order to add your fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course. So add the edges and all of the areas basically. The tip. Alright, let's tap on done. So here we've got our fingerprint section. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it or add another fingerprint. So now let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.